Guys, welcome back to Practically Creative with Melissa. I did a quick short on my birthday haul, but I wanted to show you guys just a little bit closer what I got. And I'm going to turn the camera down to the table so you can see things and hopefully in good focus. But I wanted to say good morning before we did that. So let's go down to the table. Okay, and this isn't all of it. There were some other things, but they were like vitamins and stuff that I ordered because I needed them. But let's go through all this. This is so much fun. I'm going to save all the cute stuff for last. I ordered myself a new one of these. I snapped my old ruler that I had like this. It's a 4.5-inch acrylic ruler that you use for squaring up little squares of stuff. I needed a new one, so I went ahead and added it in. I got a yard of fabric, and I'm going to open this now that we're on camera. And I think this stuff is just so adorable. It is chickens. Surprise, surprise. I'm trying to turn it so you guys can see the pattern right side up. And I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I thought about making a bag, but I may use it as a valance or a curtain because curtains are really easy to do. It stores the fabric for you. Then if I ever decide I want to do something different with it, I can just take it down and move it along to the next project. So I like that idea. And then let's fold that up and move it aside. There's not much room to work here, so I'm like, yeah. And I will put that probably back on its little holder pad that it came with. I've been drawing some happy faces just because I want to. I got this, and this is really cute. It is a magnifying glass, but it's got a light. So if the text is too small to read, you can light it up. You know, so if you're in a dark room trying to read something like a pill bottle, then this works really great. I brought it in here, but it's actually probably going to stay at my desk. I'm going to get rid of the packaging for that. We don't want to spill that. I bought a couple of fat quarters. This one is a sea theme one, and it has a turtle on it, and it's teal. The turtle is kind of what got my attention there. I think that he's as cute as he can be. And I don't know what that's going to be used for. Doesn't matter. I like it, and I'll use it for something. Might use it on a baby bib. You never can tell with me. I got some orange because Halloween's coming. I want to make some gnomes and some pumpkins for a Halloween wall hanging. So you'll see that before too long. But I needed orange because I didn't have any. And of course, when you have orange, you want other colors to go with it. So I got this little 3-pack of fabric. That I like. It's fall colors. It's got some orange. It'll blend. And the first thing I did with it was I cut a 2.5-inch strip off of each fabric and used it for something else. Hubby got me a couple of things at Dollar Tree. That's where the little magnifying light came from. This is what I've already cut up of a flexible cutting board from Dollar Tree. I really like this. And I use this to make rulers. I'm going to make a ruler today, and I'll put that video up for you very soon. And then, let's see if I can get these up here close enough so you can tell what they are. This is buttons. They're little shank buttons. There's a couple of horses, a cow, a pig, a chicken, and a lamb. And of course, I had to have them. I think they are adorable. They may go on a bag. I may sew them onto something to hang on the wall. And then because everybody's into bumblebees right now and I like bees, I thought these were cute. These are also little buttons. You can see, I hope, the shank on the back there. Not too big of a reflection. And they're adorable. Don't know where they're going either, but they're cute. And I don't buy buttons very often. because I have tons of buttons left over from my mom and my grandma. I have one of those great big huge popcorn tins full. One of these days maybe I'll pull that out and go through it on camera. So that was my birthday haul. I also bought some M&Ms and some candy bars, but they're in the other room by my other desk, and so I didn't want to mess with them too much. Oh, there is one more thing that hubby found this for me. It is an inspection mirror, and I'm trying not to reflect at the camera there. This is like you would use underneath something. Hold on, let me see if I can get it out of the package. I'll cut this out if it takes me too long, because I'm not good with this. These little wire things, especially when they're wrapped in foil. So what this does is it telescopes so you can look under something, which, you know, probably is really great for people who do mechanic work. But I thought it would be good to use on, like, under my sewing machine if I want to see back behind where I've tried to clean out my needle area, or down in underneath where it's hard to see without a lot of light. That's the other thing this is great for, is because I can add some light down in there to be able to see all the lint and dust. So I thought that was pretty great, and that's going in my little tool bucket that I keep next to my sewing machine, so that I have it for future use. And just for the nerdy people out there, there is a little pin thing on there so you can put it in your pocket. So I guess if I wanted to, I could wear it like on my collar. But I think I did pretty good, and I'm really happy with what I've got. And you guys will obviously get to see the results of it, because, you know, I film all my projects at this point. Sometimes you may not want to see them, but whatever. Thanks for watching. You have a great day, and I appreciate you being here. Bye, guys.